Hey, what's up? Today I'll show you two ways how to slow down or speed up audio track using Audacity with and without changing the pitch. First method is to simply select the whole track and go Effects and select Change Speed. Over here, if you want to slow down, go -% like -10%, or go +10% to speed it up. As you can see, the pitch and the duration of the song changes. If you want to avoid pitch change, go to Effects and go Change Tempo. Don't overdo it because it will drastically reduce the quality of the song. So play with it and see how it works best for you. For me, the best value is around 10% plus minus to maintain the quality. And this is how you slow down or speed up track in Audacity. Thanks for watching and see ya!